Papier-mâché is one of the world's most enduring and fascinating art forms. It is more than just a creative outlet, it is a powerful way to practice sustainable living. Many of the materials we discard daily, old newspapers, magazines, and cardboard boxes, are not trash. They are, in fact, the raw materials for exquisite home decor. In today's video, we are going to explore how to transform simple scraps into stunning works of art from start to finish. This process requires patience, care, and a spirit of creative freedom. The foundation of any great papier-mâché project is the paste. Getting the mixture right is crucial for the strength and smoothness of your final product. While many people use chemical glues, a simple homemade mixture of flour and water, flour paste, is highly reliable and eco-friendly. The process: bring water to a boil in a pot. In a separate bowl, mix flour with a little cold water until it becomes a smooth, lump-free paste. Slowly add this to the boiling water while stirring constantly. Remove it from the heat once it reaches a milk-like consistency. This natural glue will make your paper harden almost like iron. Building the armature structure. Papier-mâché is versatile enough to be molded into any shape. You can use old balloons as a base to create vases or bowls. Alternatively, you can use cardboard to build more complex geometric structures. The key is to prepare your base well. Before you start applying paper, it is essential to lightly coat your base with a little oil or wrap it in plastic so that the papier-mâché doesn't stick to the form permanently. Ensure you create varying widths. Layering. Dip each strip into your paste, remove the excess, and apply it to the base. You should aim for at least 3 to 4 layers. To ensure maximum strength and stability, try applying the first layer horizontally and the second layer vertically. Allowing each layer to dry completely is vital for the quality and durability of your project. The most critical phase, where many beginners struggle, is the drying process. Do not attempt to paint your work until it is 100% dry. Once it is fully cured, you may notice small imperfections or rough edges. Use fine grit sandpaper to gently smooth the surface. This step is what elevates your project from a simple craft to a professional-looking piece of art. Painting and design. The final and most enjoyable stage is the painting. Start with a base coat, such as gesso or white acrylic paint, as this ensures your final colors appear bright and vibrant. Once dry, let your creativity flow. You can use sponges, brushes, or even stencils to create intricate geometric patterns. Finally, apply a layer of varnish to give your creation a beautiful sheen and to protect it from dust and moisture for years to come. Once you start this process, you will be amazed at the sheer variety of things you can create. Start with small items and gradually work your way up to larger home decor pieces. By caring for your creations and recycling your materials, you are also making a positive contribution to the environment. I hope today's lesson inspires you. Stay tuned for more creative projects on Hope 2,